Welcome back to the Henry Shine showrooms. We're going to go through a basic procedure for starting up your surgery after it's been through the shutdown period that's going on at the moment. First things to start with would be your planter and the ancillary equipment to make sure that's ready to use to support your chair once it's needed. For your compressor, during the shutdown period you would have opened the drains to make sure it was drained and isolated the power supply. Make sure your power supply is turned on and your drains are actually closed, and you can turn the unit on. The compressor will cycle up to pressure, and depending on the type of air dryer, it might switch off straight away, or it might cycle through for up to a couple of hours until it gets the right level of moisture in the air. Don't worry about that, it will eventually switch off again. As we said, if you have something with an indicator on, as with this dryer, it will show you that the air is dry with blue. For your suction motor, again, we isolated it from the mains, so make sure your mains are switched on. Make sure that you remember to put all your filters and tubes back in place, and there's nothing else you need to do to that at this moment in time. So we will then move from our plant room into our main surgery to get our chair back up and running again.